In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Binance account on your mobile device. So, let's dive right in. First things first, to get started with Binance, you need to have their app on your mobile device. So, head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and download the Binance app onto your device. Now, depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. So, while you wait, here's a little background on why Binance is such a great platform. Known for its extensive range of cryptocurrencies, Binance allows traders of all levels to participate actively and gain great benefits from the world of crypto. Now that the app's downloaded, go ahead and open it. Once you've opened the app, you should find yourself looking at the home page. Front and center, you'll see an option for signing up or logging in. Tap on this button because we're here to create a new account. The next prompt will give you an option to create a Binance account. You'll need to enter either your email address or your phone number. Try to choose the method you check most frequently. Either works well, but it's important. Double-check to ensure you've entered your email or phone number correctly. This step is vital to make sure you don't face any hassles later on. Once confirmed, don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. They're legally binding, so it's always a good idea to give them a quick look. After you've agreed, press Continue. Now comes the verification process. Binance takes security very seriously, so they'll send a verification code to your email or phone. This step might take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Be patient. Once you receive the code, go ahead and copy it from your email or phone, then paste it back into the Binance app. By doing this, you'll be redirected to the password setup page. Creating a strong, unique password is crucial. Binance will usually provide specific password requirements to ensure maximum security. Follow these guidelines closely to create a password that is both strong and memorable for you. After you've successfully created your password, click Continue, and just like that, you're all set. Now, you have direct access to your newly created Binance account right from your mobile. Remember, setting up a Binance account is only the beginning. There are countless opportunities to explore within the app itself, from trading to learning more about cryptocurrencies and how to maximize their potential. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface at your own pace. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your Binance account on mobile. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.